Yeah, hello friends. So today we'll be going to have a look at how to do an intraday based on that open low high strategy. Okay, so for this purpose, so we'll be going to have USENT scanner, and based on that, we'll be going to do an intraday. Okay, so this is an educational content. So don't think don't think it as an recommendation, and please do your own analysis before taking any real trade based on this strategy. Okay, so now we'll be going to go for we'll be going to google that open low high scanner. Okay, so once you search for this open low high scanner, so click on the first link whichever you get, so you will be getting a result from that pivottrading.co.in. okay, so click on this link. So once you click on this link, right, so you will be getting an stocks which are all having that open low high. So here you can even search this, select the script group based on nifty 50, or if you want to do the analysis for the particular any other sectors, right, so you can also do those changes as well. Okay, so also I recommend that you can do this scanner by the time of 9:30 or above that 9:30 hours. Okay, so that the market will get settled for the first 15 minutes. So once the market settled, by the time of 9:30, you can go to this Google and you can search for that open low high scanner, and once you get that result, so you can come to this page. So here you can see that you will be getting the scanners list. So here you can see open equal to low stocks and also open equal to high stocks. Okay, and you should look at that nifty's trading side. So if the nifty is like plus 2.20%, then you can always choose the open equal to low stocks. And if the nifty is trading at the level of at the red side, which is like minus 0.20%, then you should always choose the open equal to high stocks. Okay, so after coming to this page at the time of 9:30, so you need to look at this nifty's direction. After that, you can see, so whenever the here you can see that entry price 1, 2 and 3, and they will also provide the stop loss and target. Okay, so after that, so here you can see, so which is a stock which is trading nearby the buy price level, buy price or sell price level. So here you can see that the Dr. Reddy is trading near to the buy price levels, right? So might be it is trading near to this 4005.75. so once this gives you the signal, you can always buy this, and once you buy this, you can place the stop loss as a next buy price. So here if you have bought this at this price, then you can maintain the stop loss of this level, and if you are buying at this level, then you can place the stop loss of the previous buy order level. Okay, so this is how you can trade. And you can see that, so this particular has been stop loss hit, but you can see by the date of you can see most of the stocks have been target achieved, right? So this is, so if the stock is trading at open equal to low, means which means that the stock doesn't move below that open price, and it's keep on moving higher after its opening for the particular day, which means that there is some good news is there in that particular stock, so that it's moving towards high side. So based on that, we are going long on that particular day. And if there is an open equal to high, then which means that there is something bad about this stock for the day, and the stock is keep on moving down after the stock gets open for the particular day. So you can go on the sell side for that open equal to high, and you can go for the buy side for open equal to low. So this is one of the strategies. So here you can see that's a Tech Mahindra, so which is also giving the buy signal at the level of 553.8. so once you enter this, you can see this is 551.25, which is like hardly 2.50 points it is the risk for us, and we'll be taking the we'll be having the profit of around 10 rupees over here, right? So which is like hardly 1:4 risk reward ratio for this particular open high strategies for this Tech Mahindra. Okay, so this is one of the wonderful strategy. So you can, what you have to do is you should wait for 15 minutes to market gets settled down. So after that, you can do this intraday strategy. So once your target gets hit, you can come out of this trade, or else if the stock is moving towards your direction, you can always trial your SL, so that you can you can stay with the trade for the entire day, and you can capture the maximum profit as well. Okay, so thanks for watching, friends. So please do subscribe to our channel, and hope you guys like this video. So please do like, share and comment if you have any queries as well. So thanks for watching, friends.